Hello, here is Mujahid, the top rated plus freelancer on Upwork, having more than 7 years of experience in email marketing, in tech savvy, in project management, specifically in GoHighLevel or other automation tools. So, I want to walk you through the work that I have done so far in GHL. Here you can see a website, Mid Atlantic Hood Duck Company. So, basically, it's a US based company working in local area. The main goal and main services they are providing is a hood cleaning, and they are providing different services in terms of kitchen exhaust cleaning, access panel installation. So I want to show you a landing page that I have created for them. Here you can see their FAQs and all those things that are necessary in sales funnel or main funnel, you know. And then there is another form, a trigger based form. All the automation apply on these buttons. Whenever anybody click on any event, then obviously a trigger based automation will goes to their email. So I want to walk you through the back end of that particular, the landing page in GHL. So here you can see that all those things that I have done so far. And in other tab I have shown you a preview of that website. And again, for that company, here is the newsletter, here is the form that I have created, and all the things that I already shown you already exist there. And I can see some automations that are currently working right away according to customer journey. We applied the conditions, if else conditions, and add tags, and then SMS, and then internal notification. Here's one client. Okay, I'm managing another client, a real estate listing property client, sell for one realty. I'm working the same thing, same automation, same workflows, but we have given a 90 days plan to that particular client, how we can automate their user journey. So he didn't need to work 24 hours 7. On automation will work on the behalf of him. So here is the website that's created on WordPress, synced with GHL. And the main thing that we have applied is a Centrify AI. We installed AI agent. Okay, give them different resources in knowledge uh, base, and all the content are in knowledge base. You can see here it's a website, full services page, Spanish, and then listing presentation. Whenever anybody land on website, then obviously that particular tool, that agent, explore overall website according to his questions. So that's the main thing that I have done so far. Let's have a chat for further discussion of your goals and my approaches for moving forward, and we will discuss how we can automate all those things that you have right now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.